2, everyone. The dynamic duo is back together. Hiking again. But new views. Where are we?
I can't tell you.
Well, I was sleeping in the garden when I saw you first. He put me deep, deep under so that he could work. And like the dawn, you broke the dark, and my whole earth shook. Well, I was sleeping in the garden when I saw you.
So we have been hiking for how long now? A few hours, like
days.
3 hours.
We're
Days.
lost for days.
We've been out here for a few hours. Apparently the first time, or where we were originally, we got lost. We didn't go the right way. Oh, my foundation looks good. And then we met some cool people who we've lost that were kind of being our trail guides. But we're heading to the falls. My knees are hurting a smidge, but not too bad. We're surviving and thriving. How are you feeling?
How am I feeling?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I said it last time. I'm feeling alive.
Alive?
I'm living.
Oh, you had a word last time. I forgot what it was though. I don't remember.
Exponential.
Exponential. You feeling exponential again?
Feeling exponential.
Yeah, but yeah, that's our update for now. Until we get to the falls, which who knows when that's gonna be. Days. We got to the waterfall, guys. Peep it. There.
The brightest shade of sun I had ever seen. Your skin was gilded with